Today we're making blackened catfish. So let's get started. For our blackened catfish, we're going to need 4 catfish fillets, roughly about 5 ounces each. We're going to need salt, smoked paprika, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, dried oregano, dried thyme, some cayenne, some olive oil, and some butter. So let's get started. So for our blackening seasoning, we are going to need half a cup of Cajun seasoning. Then we're going to need a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of ground thyme, and a teaspoon of ground rosemary. Then we are going to add just a pinch of cayenne. So we don't want too much. And then we're going to give this a good mix. And we're going to set this to the side. So let me move this out of the way. Then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to take our fish and we are going to salt them on all sides. And as always, we need to make sure that we clean our hands when we're messing with raw meat. Then we're going to take our blackening seasoning on both sides. And if you don't use this all, you can store it in an airtight container for up to 6 months. So I'm going to go ahead and continue seasoning these up. And once we get these all done and we're ready to go, I'll be right back. So we've got our cast iron skillet going on high, and we're going to add a little bit of olive oil to this, and then a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to mix this up. Let this get melted. Right, then we are going to take our catfish fillets and lay them in the pan. And we are going to let them cook for about 2 minutes per side. And then we are going to flip them over and cook them for another 2 to 3 minutes. So we're going to let this cook up for a little bit, and we'll be right back. Alright, so these have been going for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to flip them over. And we're going to let these cook for about another 2 minutes or so per side. And we'll be right back. Alright, so these have been going another 2 to 3 minutes. So yeah, they're ready because it looks like they're starting to flake off. So we're going to go ahead and pull these off, set them to the side, and we're going to continue on with our next batch. So once we're all set up and ready to go and ready to eat and plate up, we'll be right back. So see you shortly. All right, so we're all plated up and ready to go. Just a little FYI, when you're doing the blackening catfish, be sure that you open every window and door to the house because it will get smoky. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We're going to have some catfish with some homemade tartar sauce. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy.